shall we start? Kindly stand for our opening prayer. Morning class. Before you take your seat, kindly pick up some pieces of paper or clean the wrapper under your chair. And if none, you may take your seat. Secretary, is there any update or absences today?
None, ma'am.
Okay, continue your perfect attendance. Before we start our discussion, let us have some matric. Do you want matric?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Get any pieces of paper and ball pen and then follow the instruction in the slides. First is write your month number from your birthday. So like mine is March, then my month number will be number 3. Are you done? Next is multiply by 5. Then add 6. Next, multiply the total by 4. Next, add 9. And then multiply by 5 once again. Next, add your birth date. So, if I were born on the 27th of March, then I add 27. Are subtract 165 and you will surprise because you will have the month and day you were born. Are you done? What you have noticed in the trick? I will call Miss Labiano.
I have noticed that in mathematics, you just have to follow instruction for you to get the correct answer.
Okay, thank you. I hope you energize you all. It seems that you are all alive now. Before we proceed to our next topic, let us have a short review for our topic last meeting. So, who among you still remember our last topic? Okay, Mr. Labiano.
Our last topic is about introduction of integers.
Very good. Next. What do you mean by integers? Okay, Miss Kalika.
The absolute of a number is its distance from 0 to the number line.
Okay, thank you. It feels great that you still remember our last topic. It seems that you fully understood our last topic. Before we proceed to our next topic, I'll show you a video clip entitled Real World Integers Are What Matters. While watching the video, you have to take note. What have you noticed in the video clip? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start.
Flying on an airplane, or diving underwater, walking in a cold winter, or enjoying the summer heat. These are just some of the real world facts about integers. So what are integers? Integers are the set of numbers consisting of whole numbers and its opposites. Remember that the set of whole numbers starts at 0, followed by the counting numbers, and the opposites, we just put a dash beside it. So let's locate integers on the number line. If 0 is here, where is 5? You're right, 5 is here. How about negative 2? Very nice, negative 2 is here. How about negative 6? Correct, it's here. How about 1? Good, obviously it's here. 7. Good job, very easy, right? Always remember that 0 is the reference point, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now, the numbers to the right of 0 are called positive integers, to the left are negative integers. Integer going to the right is increasing. On the other hand, going to the left is decreasing. Here are some of the integer relationships. Pause the video to check it out. Now, just arrange these integers from lowest to highest. Which comes first? Negative 3, negative 2, 0, and 1. Arrange the integers from lowest to highest. Which comes first? -7, -5, -1, 0, 4, and 6. Now, what are the real-life examples of integers? Losing weight, gaining weight. Diving the tipsy, flying above the clouds. Going upstairs, going downstairs. And many more. But how to write these examples as integers? A weight gain of 10 kilograms can be written as an integer, +10. Diving a depth of 8 meters can be written as an integer, -8. 5 steps down the stairs can be written as an integer, -5. Earning 250 pesos can be written as an integer, +250. 3 degrees Celsius below zero can be written as an integer, -3. 4 millimeter of rain above normal can be written as an integer, +4. So the words going up, above, earn, increase, gain can be used to represent positive integers. In contrary, going down, below, depth, decrease, loss can be used to represent negative integers. Alright, that's all. So whenever you walk or doing your daily routines, driving your car, or busy counting your money, integers are everywhere. Because in here, we always consider what matters. So if you want more interesting videos, subscribe for more.
What can you say about the video, Mr. Campos? Yes?
The video shows us how integers are being used in this world.
Okay, thank you. Another idea. Yes, Miss Kalika?
The video tells us that we don't have to hate mathematics because it is already part of us. Whether we like it or not, math is around us.
I agree in that explanation. We can't deny the fact that almost of the students nowadays are hate mathematics, but they didn't realize that mathematics is everywhere. In our everyday life, we use mathematics in different situations, like what you have shown in the video. Since you have a good observation that you have been watching a video, so let us have an activity that related to our topic. So watch the slides and I'll show you the instructions. Activity number 1. So in this activity 1, the activity would name a fingerprint words. Directions. Group yourself into 2. Count. Start from the back. And if you are done, go to your respective group, number 1 and number 2. Next is choose one representative to represent your group. Next is write those words under your topic. Which words belong to your topic, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, those who are just in chair, you may coach your group mates, but you just sign language or body language. If ever I heard word and noise, your group will be automatically disqualified. Is that clear? Okay. Each correct word is equivalent to 5 points. And this would be your points in performance. You have just 2 minutes to answer. The timer starts now. Okay? Those representative, come forward and pick your lessons. And this is your pen to write down. And paste it here. Get some plastic tape. Okay. As you see, there's many words, rumble words, many words in the finger. So this word, a symbol of word fingerprint, and those words choose which is belong to your topic that you choose. And okay, starts. The timer starts now. Okay, time's up. Go back to your respective chair. So let's check first. Where's my pile up? Okay. Right, down, commuter, quotient, divisor, total, sum, average. 30, group 1, and 30, group 2. Okay, give yourself a round of applause for having 30 points each. Then, now let us start our discussion. Today, we just discuss two operation of integers, which is addition of integers and subtraction of integers. It's because we don't have enough time. So the rest of operation of integers, we will discuss it by next meeting. So, what are the four operations of integers? Yes, Miss Kalika?
The four operations on integers are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Very good. In these lessons, you will know how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of integers. There are rules in every operation of integers. So first, let us discuss the rules of addition of integers. Rules in adding integers. So kindly read the rules of adding integers. Miss Kalika.
To add integers having like signs, find their absolute values, add the number obtained in step A, attach the common sign of the integers to answer in step B.
Okay, thank you. Here is the example for adding integers.
With the pencil.
So, let us solve first before I let you solve in the blackboard. So, what is the first rule? Find their absolute values. So, the absolute values were 4 and 3. Then, as you can see, add the number obtained in step A. So, the absolute value is 4 and 3. So, 4 plus 3. Then, what's the sum? 4 plus 3 equals? Okay, very good. 7. Then letter C, attach the common sign of the integers to the answer in step B. What is the common signs? The common sign is, yes, negative. So the answer would be negative 7. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I would call, okay, I just write the equation and wants to solve this equation. Negative 8 plus negative 2. Who wants to solve this equation? Yes? Mr. Labiano, come forward and answer the equation. Okay, thank you. It's correct. So next, let us proceed to another situation of adding integers. What if eight plus negative 9? So to answer this example equation, before I answer this, who wants to read the second rule of adding integers? Okay, Mr. Campos, please stand and read.
To add integers having unlike signs, find their absolute values from the obtained number. In step A, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Attach the sign of the integer with the bigger absolute value to the answer in step B.
Okay, thank you. So before I let you solve the next, I will just show you how to answer this, then you will do the next. Just listen. Which is the absolute value? It's 8 and 9. Which is has the bigger number. Excuse me. Okay, it's 9. So the sign of a 9 is negative. Therefore, the answer will be negative. So 9, so 8 plus negative 9 would be 1. Okay, next. Next equation. 8 plus negative 4. Who wants to answer this equation? Yes, Miss Kalika. Are you done? Okay, thank you. It's correct. The answer would be 4. Just bear in your mind that when positive plus negative, just find which is the bigger number. So what if 8 plus negative 1? Which is bigger number? Okay, number 8. So automatically, 8 minus 1, the answer will be positive. And if the bigger number is negative, sample, 7 plus negative 9. Which is the bigger number? 9. So, therefore, automatically, the answer will be negative. So, the answer will be negative 2. That you really understand addition. So, let's proceed to the next operation, which is subtraction. Kindly read the rules in subtracting integers. Kindly read all together.
Subtracting a
Number.
number from another number is
It's the same as adding n to the other number.
Thank you. So here is the example, and as we used to do it earlier, that I will solve first before you will. So just listen how I solve it. So example of the subtraction is negative 8 minus 4. What is subtracting n from another number the same and others? So if there are the same negative sign, like this equation, you will add these two. So 8 plus 4 is equal 12. Since they are the same negative, you just copy the negative sign, but you add them. Is that clear? Okay, next, I'll give you some example and answer the following. Okay, who wants to answer? Mr. Campos. This is the first I answer, so you are next. Okay, thank you. It's correct. Then we proceed to the next. It seems that you understand at all. easy, right? Integers, operation to solve. So just bear in mind, if you are subtracting integers, you just add the absolute value, sample, -1 minus -4. So just add the absolute value, which is 1/4 equals to 5. And then, you just copy the sign. And the next rule is just like in addition. What is the bigger number? It would be the sign in subtracting it. Sample. If 10 minus 11, the bigger number is 11 and the sign is negative. Therefore, the answer will be -1. Is that clear? Okay? So let's now, I have some question. If you are really understand our topic, so I have two questions for you. So just answer if I call your name. Okay, questions. What are the 4 operations on integers? Yes, Miss Kalika.
The 4 operations on integers are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Okay, very good. Next, what do you think is the most important operation of integers? Miss Labiano.
For me, the most important operation of integers is the addition of integers because it is the commonly used in our daily life.
Very good. You understand our lesson. Let us have the final activity. In this activity, it measures your creativity. So, see at the slides, and this would be the direction in your activity. Group yourself into 2. In your activity, you will construct 2 examples of integer with solution. Group 1 will be addition, and group 2 will be subtraction. I will give you 5 minutes to make your activity. And watch first, this is the criteria. Content 35%, participation 25%, creativity 20%, cleanliness 10%, time management 10%, and total of 100%. Okay, the timer starts now. 2 minutes left. Then if you're done, you can post it here. Time's up. Post your activity now on board. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you may now sit down. I'll post it right here. Okay, now let's check your I will announce it later. Where's my pen? Okay. Here's your grade. Then please. Here's your grade. Group 1 got 95%. And group 2 got 96%. Again, give yourself, let's go clap. Okay, now, since you have now fully understand and since you have now fully understand and full of knowledge about our topic, so get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer the following question. Read each question carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. If we are going to add negative 79 to 87, what will be the answer? Next. Which do not belong to the group? Next, which of the following equation is correct? Are you done? Next, which of the following equation is not true? Which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? Time's up. Exchange your paper with your seatmate. Okay, watch on slide. This would be the answer of our quiz. Are you done checking? Okay, who got the score of 5? 4. 3 and below.
None, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next is assignment. We will check this in our next meeting. So, for your assignment, make your own 5 examples of each operation on integers. Write it in one whole sheet of paper. And that's all for our lesson for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.
See you next meeting.